Hey guys, I've been building this Besta TV bench, and for both doors I've installed the hinges. You can see it's sagging quite a bit. So, so even scraping the floor. So actually, I think what helped me the most is the third adjustment in the instructions. So on the hinge itself, if you turn that screw, it will adjust the position of the door. So basically what you want is on the top hinge, we wanted to move, make the door go higher up and then move out the bottom bit. So it's quite simple. So I can simply turn the top one anti-clockwise. So that should bring it closer to the door. And then the bottom one I'll turn clockwise. So that'll push it out a bit. So let's see. Okay, now I've gone overboard actually. So now this side is like going all the way up. But yeah, you get the gist. Play around with this screw up here and this screw up here. Maybe just give it a few turns, don't do it too much like me. Hope this helps.